Hi students, good morning. Welcome to Be Inspired. You are in the best part of learning YouTube channel, and this YouTube channel Be Inspired is going to create some educational videos for the students who are going to develop. If you want to develop your math skills, just follow the Be Inspired, and in that Vedic maths videos if you follow, you can improve your maths, and by improving your maths you can automatically score full marks in your maths subject. And if you want to become topper of your class, if you want to become topper of your section, just follow Be Inspired. Please share, like, comment in my channel. So students, today we are going to start a maths class, and in this maths, in previous class what we learned, we just learned properties of whole numbers. What are the different properties of whole numbers we have, that we just go through it, and then we just followed one more thing, that is distributive property, and with that we just followed some questions, right? So now we will see what is today's class. Find the sum by suitable rearrangement. So you are just going to do addition of these numbers by just suitable rearrangement. So we will just do this. If which two numbers we'll add first, we'll get very easy total, that we will add first, and then we will go for the other number addition. Then that is the meaning of suitable rearrangement over here. So I'm going to arrange. First I'll add 837 plus 363, and 3 plus 7 is 10, 9 plus 1 10, 8 plus 3 11, 12, and for 1200 I have to add 208, 8041. So the answer is 1408. That is the meaning of suitable rearrangement. Okay, so for the next question also we will see the suitable rearrangement over here. So first we will add 1962 with 1538, 10, again 10, 15, 3500, and I'll add 453 plus 647. Just simple. If you are going to get tens, it will be easy to us to add, so that is the reason I am just arranging those numbers, that in that way I am just doing addition. The answer will be 4600. Of course, if you add in the same direction, whatever the numbers you given in that order, if you add also, you'll get 4600. I'll just show you how. 1962, 453, and 0 I'll keep in thousands place, 1538, and then 647. 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 8 13, 13 plus 7 20. See, it is going to become this much big. That is the reason they asked us two suitable rearrangement. 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 5 13, 13 plus 3 16, 16 plus 4 20, 9 plus 2 11, 11 plus 4 15, 15 plus 5 20, 20 plus 6 is 26, and 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 0 3, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 0 is 4. Okay, this is the meaning of suitable rearrangement in his words. So this is not going to take much time for us to write, but whereas this is taking so much time to write, so because of that reason we are going for rearrangement, and then we will solve it. Okay, this is about the first question. Find the product by suitable rearrangement. Again the same model there we are going to find out. So here we have so many things. Just check it out. If I multiply which two numbers, I will get tens in place of tens or hundreds. in that is going to, first we will multiply those two and then we will go for the other numbers multiplication. So for example, in this question, so what is my arrangement will be, first I'll multiply 50 with 2, and then whatever the answer I'll get, with that answer I'll multiply 1768. Because why I'm multiplying 50 with 2? Because to get the answer 100. So any number multiplied by 10 or 100 with 1768, you'll get automatically just simply adding zeros. So that is the reason I'm multiplying like this. Okay, now coming to this question. So 25 multiplied by 4 will give you 100, and then that is the reason first I'll multiply 25 4s are 100 into 166. The answer will be 16,600. Isn't it easy to multiply 166 with 4 and that answer with 25 is going to become difficult? So that is the reason we are following first this and then we are following that. Okay. So first we will multiply 25 with 8. And that answer multiplication with 291. So 25 8s are 200 multiplied by 291. So automatically there's 2 zeros, and now multiplication with 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 9s are 18, 2 2s are 4 plus carry 1 5. 58,200. Oh sorry, this is 125. I just written 25. Okay, we'll just go this one more question. 125 multiplied by 8 into 291. 125 8s are 1000 multiplied by 291, nothing but 2,91,000. So the next question, so now you think and say me that which two numbers I'll multiply first. Yes, 625 multiplied by 16. 625 multiplied by 16, and that answer with 279. So we will see how much 625 into 16. 16 5s are 80, 16 2s are 32 plus 8 40, 16 6s are 96 plus 400. So the answer is 10,000 multiplied by 279. So the answer is 27,90,000. Now here you multiply with 60 multiplied by 5, and that answer with 285. So 65s are 300 multiplied by 285. So instead of multiplying with 300, you can just go multiply with 3. 3 5s are 15, 3 8s are 24 plus carry 1 25, 3 2s are 6 plus carry 2 8. The answer is 85500. Just add 2 zeros in the last. That is going to show your answer. And this will be very easy. We'll multiply 25 with 40 and again 125 with 8. So 25 into 40 is 1000. 125 8s are also 1000. So 1000 multiplied by 1000 is 10 lakhs. Isn't it easy to you? Yes, very good. I hope you all understand my class. Prevention of coronavirus: wash your hands thoroughly, cover your face with a mask, and always sanitize your objects before going to use. Try to avoid longer places and try to avoid crowded places. Cook proper thoroughly food and eat that, and don't try to touch your eyes, mouth and nose. Thank you, Corona warriors. I salute to you. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching.